How to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and now go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Now, if you have previously downloaded WhatsApp on your iPhone, you will see the cloud-like icon with the download button. Tap on that for the download to begin. And if you have not previously downloaded WhatsApp on your iPhone, then you will see the option for Get. Tap on that, and with this, the downloading process will begin. Once downloaded, tap on Open option you see there in order to launch the application, and further go ahead and enter your mobile number for verification and for logging in purpose to WhatsApp. So, this was about how you can download and install WhatsApp mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.